Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Last night I stretched my hair. So my hair was just in a afro. It was kind of tight and I wanted to stretch the curls. So what I did was went in and I banded my hair with some rubber bands all over my head. This is the next morning. I'm up. I have somewhere to be in a little while. So what I want to do is show you how I style my hair after I take all the rubber bands out and retwist my hair. And then we're going to use the pick and pick it out to make it fluffy. So let me show you what I did. Okay, I'm straight giving Susie off the Rugrats. Y'all remember Susie from the commercial, the Rugrats? Yeah, if y'all don't remember, I will insert a picture somewhere over here. But I'm looking like Susie. All right, so all my hair has been banded, like I said. And I put this in 20 bands throughout the night, and I just put my bonnet on and went to sleep. So let me show y'all how I'm going to take these rubber bands out without any breakage. So what you want to do is use your rat tail comb. You can use either the metal end or the little hook right here on the tip, and just grab the rubber band. And what you want to do is pop the rubber band. I just have a razor right here, and you just pop the rubber band. And that way you won't have any breakage, and it'll be a lot less tension on your hair removing the rubber band. So once you get this part removed, this section, you see the curls are still at the end. You just want to take some oil. I have extra virgin olive oil right here, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my hands. And we're just going to rub that through my hands, through the tips, to keep your hands moisturized, because you don't want to do any manipulation to dry hair. So you make sure your hands are greased, and you just want to take small sections like this and just roll them around and let them go. And we're going to do this to our entire head. So let me go ahead and get this process started. I'll come back after I get all the rubber bands removed and twist all the individual sections like I'm doing. And then we'll show you how I'm going to finish styling the hair, and we'll get it picked out. So y'all stay tuned for that. We're going to remove the broken rubber band. As you can see, there is no hair caught in the rubber band. So this is a healthier way to take your rubber bands out. It's just to pop them or cut them with some scissors. And if y'all are interested in this color is by Cream of Nature. I did go in with the honey blonde and the lightest golden blonde, and I mixed those two colors together, and I retouched my roots. And after I got the color all the way through my roots, I did drag some of that Cream of Nature on the tips of my hair as well. So if y'all are feeling this color on your girl, y'all go over to my channel. It's the last video I just posted before I'm gonna post this one. And you can check out how I retouched and dyed my roots. I'm just going to go in with my pick and lift the roots. Do not drag the pick all the way to the ends, because you don't want to lose all your individual curl definition that we just created. So just lift the roots. Once we have that, you could be done with the hairstyle and you can just let it go with your edges. My edges have been pre-set from yesterday. So I'm going in with this just a little piece of material, and we're gonna tie my puff off and create almost like a high puff, but not really. Okay, but not really. Y'all can skip this step if y'all don't want no headband around your head. But I think it kind of like gives the hairstyle a little bit more character. And I'm back. This is the final look, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this hairstyle. Make sure y'all are loving on y'all curls and y'all hair strands and taking care of your hair. It's not all about them lace fronts. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will check y'all again in my natural hair tutorial. Talk to y'all later.